You're watching Cooking with Chemo, and today we have our guest star, the Allison Smith, who will be showing us how to create her signature dish.
Radish oyster creme brulee.
Now, what are some typical ingredients you have in your oyster radish creme brulee?
So today we're going to be cooking with mini beef raviolis, Italian dressing.
Exotic.
We're gonna use some dark cocoa powder that's gonna give that brulee this really nice, creamy, sweet, body, full flavor that you find in any sort of brulee. We're gonna use a half
Creme brulee, per se.
So you think that's funny?
Yeah, why? Hello, science lovers. I'm Hayden Burkholder.
And I'm Allison Smith.
And today, we aren't actually going to be cooking anything. Today, we're going to conduct an experiment. We're going to try to prove that density and weight have a direct correlation.
Theory tells us that density is equal to mass divided by volume, and that weight is equal to mass times gravity. The great thing about this experiment is you can do it at home.
We are going to be using a variety of household liquids and see how their densities compare to each other. My theory is if the weights are too similar, the liquids won't be able to stack and will actually mix together.
We'll be using water as our control group and be comparing other liquids' weights to it. We're going to need these items: a food baster, a glass cylinder, a scale, and our selected liquids. We chose to use water, tea, pop, orange juice, vegetable oil, dish soap, and honey.
First, we will weigh all of these selected liquids by putting them into each of these cups and filling them up to the same height. Once we've done this, we'll be able to compare them against each other.
Looking at these weights, I think pop, tea, and orange juice are just going to be too close to the same density to be able to stack. Using these results, we're going to test each of these against water to see if the hypothesis is correct.
Now that we know the different densities, we can stack them in order from highest to lowest. Anybody can stack boxes, but with a little experimentation and knowledge, you can stack liquids too. Thanks for tuning in. Stay tuned for more science.